Dow Jones and Nasdaq bought has dropped sharply as we had seen in that in morning it has retraced a bit, trading bullish, and then we have seen this good drop. But yes, US 100 is still recovering and trading about 12,000 levels. And interestingly, if you have seen the lows for the day at 31,517, and these were the levels we had seen a couple of days back when it has dropped till towards, and that time also we have seen a sharp drop and a good recovery. So now is it going to continue to recover from here, or we can see a sharp drop again? Which position you should take in order to profit today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the second analysis for the day. Those who watched the morning analysis definitely would have profited. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels here. Now, let's begin with the hourly chart. Now, see, on the hourly charts, interesting observation is higher lows. It is still trying to get the support here. And yes, again, 11,940, 11,900 are going to be the support levels. And hence, I will recommend you to sell here at 11,940 and then wait for it to break past 11,900. If 11,900 is taken, you can expect that we might see further lows which might take it for 11,800 and then 11,600 levels. But see, it has achieved higher highs, higher lows. You can see it is still trying to trade in this channel, and hence till 11,900 I will not recommend you to consider this as bearish. They see the stochastic on the hourly charts has come to oversold zone. The MACD has taken a sharp turn and it is trading bearish. It is trading with divergence. The RSI is also seen at bottom on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, this is the second red candle in succession. After getting the resistance at 12,200, it has fallen back sharply, but still it is trying to get some support at 11,940 levels, below which certainly more bearishness, and then wait for 11,900 to be taken, and then we can expect the bearishness to prevail. See, the stochastic has come to bottom here. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell, and this is the first red candle. RSI trying to look downwards, indicating slight bearishness, and on the 3-hour charts also likewise. See, it is still, see, after this drop, this is retracement mode, and once it stays below 11,900, you can expect 11,800, 600, and it can resume the downtrend from there. Stochastic is seen dropping from the overbought levels. MACD seen trying to converge here. RSI trying to look downwards and indicating slight bearishness. And look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, this pattern is formed almost at bottom. So sell at 11,940 till 11,940. Do not consider it for a reversal. See, the stochastic was overbought, looking down here, slight bearish indication. The MACD is trying to converge, though it is in green. RSI is also looking down, slight bearishness is indicated here too. And now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, one more important point is 11,900. Certainly you have to be watchful of, and possibly see what it is trying to do. Higher lows, higher highs, which means 11,940, 920. You have to be watchful till 11,900, only below which it can confirm the bearishness. Till the time it is trying to trade sideways and trying to retrace on this upside. But possibly see little higher lows, little lower lows there, but it is still trying to trade within this. I expect it to trade within this zone, within this wall itself, because below 11,900 more bearishness may prevail there. A stochastic is seen reversing. The MACD is bearish, trying to, it is not yet converged, it is not yet crossed over, it is still trading bearish. RSI is looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Considering this, for the day, only sell entry I will recommend is below 11,940, and you have to wait for 11,900 to be breached. If it trades below 11,900, definitely we can expect it to trade further bearish and expect 11,850, 800 as the next targets, and below that, if it sustains below 11,800, we are going to look at 11,600 very very soon. That is the first part. Second part is, yes, you can buy here at see 12,040 levels. Yes, you can buy, but then do not, see, it is trying to retrace. See, after a good drop, every time you will see a little retracement, and hence with a 20 points trailing stop loss, not more, because we have to preserve your capital. We have to preserve our capital, not in trying to trade a greed that the loss drop is done and it is going to recover. Do not consider this as recovery till the time it stays below 12,250. So possibility exists that it can try to show you a little swing. 12,100 is something I will watch for. Rather, I will say 12,080, 12,120 zone is something I will watch for. Beyond that, once again, we can expect that it is going to hit 12,180, 200 levels, and beyond that, further bullishness may prevail. So yes, you can buy at 12,040 levels, but wait for it to break past 12080, 12120 at the next resistances, and if it breaches past 12120, certainly more bullishness may prevail and 12200 levels can be expected there. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 20th of March. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look interestingly here on the hourly charts. US 30 precisely has achieved the same lows which it has seen couple of days back, and it is trying to reverse from those levels, and hence 31,500 is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell, and below that it is going to drop strongly. Now see what has happened, how it has traded in the hourly charts. You can clearly see one step, then consolidation, next step, then consolidation, and it is trying to take the direction, but it is not willing to break on the downside below 31,500. So that is the level below which I will expect it to trade bearish. Stochastic is oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, it is looking down, and the RSI is also has come back to oversold zone here. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you look more closely, this is the breakout here, and this is the first and second red candle in succession. I will wait for the third candle. Staying below 31,500, certainly you are going to look at 31,400 level, the next support, and then below that we may see trading bearish. And remember, if it stays below 31,400, next target is close to 31,000 levels very soon. Now see, the stochastic here is oversold, the MACD again crossing over for a sell. This is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading at bottom, and if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, this is the first breakout. I'll wait for the next candle. If it breaches below this zone, because see, this is double bottom here, and only if it stays below 31,500, further bearishness may be expected there. Stochastic is seen looking down, the MACD again crossing over for a sell, looking down again. RSI is also almost trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see, first breakout candle, and there could be second and third consecutive candles. If it stays below 31,500, definitely more bearishness is going to be seen. Also remember, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence going to get very strong support on the downside. See, the stochastic is looking down, indicating slight bearishness here. The MACD also trying to cross over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is almost trading at the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, one must note, lower highs are seen and lower lows. If you consider 31,400 is something you should wait and watch out for. And if you see the recovery trend, you can see it is trading in this till 33,000 levels, only above which more bullishness can be confirmed there. Right now it is trying to show you a good drop. See, red, green, red, green, red, and in this time if it takes a direction, possibly we may see consecutive candles from here. The stochastic is trading at bottom. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking down here. And if you look at the RSI, this is all again looking down. So only sell entry I will recommend today is below 31,500 level. At the same time, those who want to trade the retracement, take the retracement trade, you can buy at 31,640, 650 levels, but then expect that 31,750 and 820 till 31,820 levels we have to be watchful, cautious and alert, and above 31,820 levels then the next targets are going to be 31,900 and 32,000 levels. Remember, today the PPI data may again going to bring little more volatility there. It can completely reverse also, hence you have to be watchful. At the same time, a slight drop below 31,500, certainly more bearishness prevail. So take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. You can take a retracement trade and buy at 31,650, but then till 31,800 and 32,000 levels, you have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss. That should be of 50 points. 50 points trading stop loss will ensure that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit or your trade closes with a limited losses there, and hence first thing is to preserve capital rather than to catch up for the volatility. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside also you have to put a trailing stop loss till 31,400. So that's all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And also if you want to see, remember, the volatility is going to definitely be there, and hence we have to preserve our capital and always trade with the Once again, I am re-emphasizing, always trade with a strict stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Stop loss is your friend. Let it eat your capital, but then trailing stop loss will definitely help if you have taken the trade at the right time and the right direction. Trade accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.